In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete Google Drive photos in bulk so you can quickly clear up storage space and keep your files more organized. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to find your images, select them efficiently, and remove them in one go. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. You can use any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Just make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one. Once Drive is open, you'll see your usual folders and files. Next, we want to filter your view so that only images show up. Go to the search bar at the top of the page, click into the search field, then type image and press enter. This is a search filter that tells Google Drive to show only files it recognizes as images. After a moment, your view will refresh, and every item on the screen should now be a photo or image file stored in your drive. Now that you're seeing only images, it's time to select the ones you want to delete. If you'd like to remove every image that appears in the results, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac. This selects all visible files in the current list or grid view. You'll notice that each image becomes highlighted, indicating it's been selected. If you don't want to delete all of them, you can be more selective. Start by clicking once on a single image to select it, then hold down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac and click on additional photos you want to include. Each one you click while holding the key will be added to your selection. This approach is helpful if you only want to clean up older screenshots, duplicates, or images you no longer need, while keeping important photos safe. Once you've selected the images you want to delete, move your cursor over any one of the highlighted photos and right-click. This will open a context menu with several options related to the selected files. Take a second to make sure the menu clearly shows the number of items selected so you know you're working with the correct batch. From this menu, click on Remove. As soon as you do this, Google Drive won't permanently erase the photos right away. Instead, they'll be moved to the trash section of your drive. This works like a safety net in case you change your mind later. To confirm what happened, you can look at the small notification that appears briefly at the bottom of the screen, which usually says that the items were moved to trash. If you want to go a step further and free up space immediately, you can open the trash folder from the left sidebar and permanently delete the items from there. Just remember, once you empty the trash, those files are typically not recoverable. That's all there is to it. By using the image filter in the search bar, selecting multiple files at once, and using the remove option, you can quickly delete Google Drive photos in bulk and keep your storage under control.